So guys, welcome to our channel once again. It is this video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series. We have here just this one question to answer on the topic Constitution. So this video will be about sources of Constitution. So in short state, at the end of this video, as this is a very important one, let's go ahead and consider the question here. It says, one of the sources of Constitution is A. Statutory law, B. Corporate law, C. Constitutional law, D. Common law. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here, that's common law. That is for this question, option D. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.